Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to clear or delete your search history in the Google Chrome web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the Chrome browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung 3 dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung history. And then dito sa history ay pwede mong gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Control plus H para madirect tayo. And then i-click lang natin yan. And then next ay dito lang sa left side menu makita mo dito yung history. And then yung Chrome history, tabs from other device. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong clear browsing data. So click mo lang yan. At pop-up ito mga kaibigan, ang clear browsing data settings. So dito sa taas ay makita mo dito yung dalawang settings na basic and then yung advanced. Alright? So select lang natin tong basic. And then next, dito naman sa kanyang time range, and then i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then nandito yung mga option settings na pwede nating select na pwedeng last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and then yung all the time mga kaibigan. So select ka lang dito yung option mo kung anong ilang hours or ilang days or weeks. Alright? And then kapag nakapag-select ka na, and then dito naman sa baba makita mo dito yung browsing history, yung sign you out of most sites, and then yung cache, images, and files. So dapat naka-check yung box mga kaibigan. Yan, check lang natin yan. And then next, dito naman sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung clear data. And then click mo lang tong clear data. Ayan, so cleared Chrome data, and then click mo lang itong OK. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-delete ang search history in Google Chrome browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.